Hello, Namaste, and Privet. In today's video, I will be drawing a powerful yet peaceful portrait of Lord Shiva using oil pastels. If you love mythological art, make sure to watch till the end and subscribe for more amazing artwork. For this artwork, I am using Camel oil pastels on drawing paper. I will also be blending with paper stumps to get that smooth effect. Let's get started with the sketch. I will first show you the drawing process in my sketchbook to avoid wasting paper in case of any mistakes. I am using a basic technique that many artists follow. First, draw a circle and mark a curved guideline in the center. This will help position the eyebrows, nose, and lips. Next, sketch lines to outline the head, eyebrows, eyes, nose, lips, and chin. Draw a small circle for the ears as shown. Then start shaping the features step by step. Since this is just a rough sketch, I am not making it perfect. Later I will show you the final drawing that I will use for the oil pastel artwork. You might notice a different background in my videos lately. That's because I am not filming in my usual room because there's something that I haven't been able to remove it. I only go in briefly to take thumbnail photos. Currently, I am staying and working in another room. Drawing on the floor has been challenging, and after 4 days, my wrist is starting to hurt. Let's see how many days I have to endure this, but I will still make videos for you all. Okay, so I'm not sure when I will find the way to remove that thing and be able to return to my room. So for now, you will see this new background with some light reflection in my videos. Here you can see that when layering oil pastels, it creates a grainy texture instead of a smooth finish. To fix this, I will use a paper knife to gently scrape off the extra layer, then blend it again with a paper stump. Finally, I will use color pencils to even it out. This is my method for creating a smooth drawing. First, apply the oil pastels, remove any excess while blending, and finish with the color pencils for detailing. However, if you are using Mungyo oil pastels, this step isn't necessary.